Hello, my dear friends. Good morning. Hope you are doing good. Have fun, guys. So today we are discussing more on Google Sheet. We have when we have get it to do the analysis, a lot of issues we face. We have numerous of data, we have millions of data, and then to remove duplicates is a very tiring activity. So Google Sheet or Excel has a very beautiful function, and that function is known as unique. So what this unique function does? So unique function removes all the duplicate values in your data set and throws the clear data, whichever is unique and identical. Say, for example, I created this data set for you guys. And if you see in this data set, I have some rows having duplicate data. Say, for example, if you see guys, row number six, row number seven, row number eight is duplicate to 9, 10, 11. So my expectation is when I write my function, I get all these duplicate records removed and I get the exact data what I want. So let's hit it, guys. Let's try it out. So let me write this unique function and see how this works, guys. You see, when I write this unique function. And on the best part, guys, you see, you're going to turn on the formula, guys. You see, you will always see a question mark here, and you will see the syntax here. So unique says to define the range, guys. Very good. Let's define the range. So this is the range of my data sets. Do a comma. So what is asking now? By column, yes, or for more understanding, guys, you can just click here, guys, and you get everything. You say by column is optional. Then when you go down, you will see more of the data, whatever is required. So this is how this goes. So this is all optional. So, so for example, I just gave the range, and I just want to close it now and hit enter. Hooray! This works. This is awesome, guys. It doesn't require so much of logic. You see, we have all the unique functions here. So all the duplicate records have been removed from my data set. So how cool it is. This is super easy to track millions of data. So guys, this is how Google Sheet works. And this is how unique function work in the Google Sheet. So guys, keep subscribe my channel. Stay tuned to my channel. We'll deep dive more into data science world and learn data analytics and learn data science, play with the data and learn more. Let's explore. Let's learn. Let's have fun, guys. So guys, take care. Have a great day ahead. Stay tuned for more fun. Thank you. Bye bye. Great day.